I finally got my case. I chose a Rockform case for my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So, one of the things about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So when you get a phone like the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I did buy this with my own money, nobody sent this to me. I chose this phone because I wanted to give Google a try because I am with Google Fi, and Google Fi is currently offering $450 off of this bad boy. So I chose to go with this. I gave my wife a Samsung Galaxy Ultra 25. You guys can check the video out I did about that. But I chose this for myself. And I'm someone who is really tough on phones. And because I'm tough on phones, I didn't even want to open this thing until I got a tough case. And this is a Rockform case. It's one of the cases that's on the expensive side. You know it's expensive. The packaging can tell you it's expensive when you got magnets on the packaging. But I really wanted to get this for this before I opened it. Now I got it. Let's check out this case first. So this is my Rockform case. I chose this case because it is tough. What's inside? You got a rugged case. It got extra strength. Non-magnetic plug is included. The Rock Lock, and Rockform has a lot of different accessories that utilize the Rock Lock. And you even got a lanyard slot. So it's high performance protection with purpose. All right. And military grade drop protection, magnetic surface mounting, the twist lock, as I said, and MagSafe capability, extra strength. So I'm gonna pop this open real quick. And I've seen a lot of things about different cases. And again, I'm one of those people that always likes rugged phones. Phones like my Doogee DK10. You guys seen this? I use this as my business phone. One of the things that I love about it is it's built like a tank. It already has this like case already on the phone. So there's no case required. I wish all phones came like this. And I understand this might not have that elegant look that some people want, but at least Google, Samsung, somebody make a high power phone that already has a rugged case. The competition, and I say competition, but it's really not a competition because phones like this are not that popular in the US. But this is the ideal phone for me. A tough phone with all the specs, banging camera. Why can't we get it? Why we have to have a phone that has banging specs, but it's a dandelion? You know, you gotta walk on eggshells with your new phone, which you should, because some of these phones are well over that $1,000 mark. So why don't we have a case? The Doogee DK10 costed like $600 when I bought it, and it is 512 gigabytes, and it has 16 to 32 RAM in this. Only problems I have with this is the camera isn't the best. Some of the apps come pre-installed, and I don't really like, you can't disable some of the apps that come on it, but it's a tough phone that the calls always work. The internet is lightning fast. I don't have any problems with that. You can play games on this thing. But again, if you're talking about something that you want to take pictures with, this might not be it for you. If you want to record videos and export videos, do a lot of the content creation thing, this phone might not be the best thing for it. But this phone is built like a tank. I have no problem handing my kids this phone. I have a 3-year-old, 5-year-old. I don't have one problem handing this to them, and they could drop it all day, and I don't even have any worries. So that's why something like this, why can't we get a Samsung brand phone that is top of the line, that has a case already built on it, don't need a case, and it's tough? Anyway, sorry for that rant. Back to my Rockform case. So in the box you have this little manual, right? And then you have the case itself. Oh yeah. case itself. And let's see if it's magnetic as it says. What? Yeah, it's magnetic, all right. My mic is all metal and it sticks to it perfectly fine. Oh yeah, I know I'm gonna like this case. I'm gonna like this case. All right, and then it got magnetic plug used for extra pull force, not compatible with wireless charging. So right now it doesn't have the plug in it. No plug in it. If you use this plug, you'll have extra pull force, but you won't be able to wirelessly charge with this end. So this is the case. And you guys know, if I bought the case, I also bought this. This is the kickstand for the case. Again, you can get them together, buy them together, but they are on the high end. But so far, I would say this has a premium feel. And of course, this is magnetic too. All right, so I'm gonna open this. This is the plug ring. Whoa. When you open the Rockform sports ring, simply like this, pull it out. It's magnetic too. It's stronger. Gosh almighty. You had to pop this out and you just simply push, pop it out. Comes out easily. And now it's open. Then you take your sports ring. Whoa, these magnets are strong. And then once you're in, you just twist it. And you hear a little snap. And right now I got it to the side. If I don't want it like that, I can put it straight up and down. Rockform. Snap. Now I have it. Rockform. But again, you can put it like this. So you can hold it like this. Or like I said, you could have put it to the side. Whatever fits you. But this is the sports ring and case together. I know what you guys think. Let's see the phone in it. I haven't opened this phone yet. But for you guys, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Again, I've just been waiting for this bad boy to come through. All right. Ooh. And this is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL with 512 gigabytes. And ooh, that bad boy popping out. Ow. Ow. I got this phone for Google Fi with $450 off. So that's a sweet deal. And if you haven't tried Google Fi, you might want to check it out. I haven't had a problem with it. It comes with a charging cable inside the phone, and what we have in here, Pixel support. So it's not much in the case. You get the phone and you get the charger, and then you pop this bad boy out. Pop that bad boy out. Yeah. Yeah. Now this bad boy here feels awesome. So what I need to do now is charge this thing and use it. But I want to show you guys what it looks like in the case. So in the case, you just pop it in. It should fit snugly. Feel that snap. And voila. And this is what the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL looks like in this Rockform case. All right, you guys can tell that the camera's protected. It sits inside of the lip of the case. You got the bumpers on the side. You definitely got grips. You got nice grips on the side, right? And yeah, and best thing about it is it's magnetic. So it holds up. So you got two magnets. This is right here with the sports ring, and there's another magnet at the bottom. The magnet at the bottom and the sports ring together, you have a powerful magnet. Right now, this is in a flat surface. Of course, it's my microphone, but you guys see it. And again, this is the Rockform case with the sports ring and the Google Pixel 9 XL. And now this phone looks like it's ready for me. I probably will invest in a screen protector, but I'm ready now. Let's go. I didn't show you guys the ports. The ports all sit nicely, snugly. The buttons sound clicky. Yeah. Yeah, and it's nice grip for your hand. Yeah. Yeah. I'm highly satisfied, and now we can put this bad boy to use. If you're looking for a durable case, I would highly recommend that you check out Rockform. I definitely feel more safe with my phone. I have an industrial day job, so I really appreciate my phone being able to withstand any drops, any scratches, and things like that. And Rockform has you covered. Again, this wasn't sponsored by Rockform. It was just the best case that I saw out there. So I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.